In today's world, we're faced with an endless array of choices. From the grocery store to the latest tech gadgets, it seems like more options should make us happier. But what if I told you that having too many choices might actually lead to dissatisfaction? Let's dive into the paradox of choice. Consider this. You're standing in front of a cereal aisle, confronted by 50 different types of cereal. Each box promises a different experience. Some are sugary, others healthy, some gluten-free. How do you decide? It turns out this abundance can create anxiety rather than joy. Research shows that the more options we have, the more we question our decisions. This phenomenon is known as choice overload. Instead of feeling empowered by our options, we often end up feeling paralyzed, overwhelmed, and dissatisfied with our choices. Have you ever experienced buyer's remorse? You're not alone. A study by psychologists Sheena Iyengar and Mark Lepper demonstrated that when people were offered a selection of 24 different jams, only 3% of them ended up making a purchase. However, when offered just 6 options, 30% of people bought a jar. Fewer options can lead to greater satisfaction. So what's the solution? Simplifying our choices can lead to greater happiness. Imagine enjoying a picnic with just a few favorite foods rather than trying to decide among countless snacks. Less truly can be more. Embracing mindfulness can also help. When we focus on the present moment, we're less likely to get caught up in the overwhelm of possibilities. This shift can make our choices feel more meaningful and fulfilling. Have you ever stopped to appreciate what you already have instead of yearning for more? Connecting with others can also provide clarity in decision-making. Sharing experiences and opinions can help narrow down our choices, making it easier to find satisfaction in what we select. Community can be a powerful tool against the tyranny of choice. But here's a thought. How much time do we waste deliberating over decisions? By setting limits on our choices, we can reclaim our time and focus on what truly matters. Think about the last time you spent hours deciding where to eat. Was the result worth the effort? Ultimately, happiness doesn't lie in the number of choices we have, but in the experiences we create. Prioritizing meaningful experiences over material possessions can enhance our overall well-being. What experiences have brought you true joy? The key takeaway? Less can be more. Embrace simplicity, cultivate mindfulness, and engage with your community to navigate the paradox of choice. Are you ready to reduce the noise and find joy in what truly matters? If you found this exploration of the paradox of choice enlightening, don't forget to subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Together, we can discover deeper insights into our daily lives. To recap, remember that more options can lead to stress, while fewer choices can enhance satisfaction. Engage with your community and simplify your life to find joy. Until next time, let's make smarter choices together. The stress of juggling too many choices can feel overwhelming. Each decision pulls us in different directions, leaving us exhausted. How often have you found yourself longing for clarity amid the chaos of choice? By focusing on quality over quantity, we can deepen our connections with others. Rather than hosting a party with endless options, consider a small gathering with meaningful conversations and shared experiences. Isn't that what truly brings joy? Decluttering can also be a powerful tool. When we reduce physical clutter, we create mental space. Take a moment to evaluate your possessions. What truly adds value to your life? Simplifying our environments can lead to clearer thinking and better decision-making. Consider using decision-making frameworks. These tools can help break down choices into manageable pieces. When faced with multiple options, ask yourself, what is essential? What aligns with my goals? This method can reduce stress and make the process more enjoyable. Choosing activities that resonate with your passions can transform how you view options. Instead of feeling burdened by choices, seek out what ignites your enthusiasm. What hobbies or interests light you up? Embrace those moments. Technology can also help us manage choices more effectively. Utilizing apps for meal planning or shopping lists can streamline decision-making and reduce overwhelm. How do you currently use technology to simplify your life? Sometimes, taking a step back from constant decision-making can be refreshing. Disconnecting from digital distractions allows us to reconnect with ourselves and appreciate the simpler aspects of life. Have you taken time to unplug recently? Remember, happiness is often found in the connections we build, not the choices we face. Prioritize relationships over options, and you'll discover a richer, more fulfilling life. Who in your life makes your choices easier? As we conclude our exploration of the paradox of choice, let's reflect on the beauty of simplicity. More isn't always better, embracing fewer options can lead to a happier, more fulfilling life. Are you ready to embrace the art of simplicity? If you enjoyed this exploration and want to join us in uncovering more insights about life, don't forget to subscribe. Together, we can navigate the complexities of modern living and find joy in simplicity. To sum it up, embracing simplicity, prioritizing meaningful experiences, and fostering connections can lead to greater happiness. Thank you for watching, and let's continue this journey towards a more joyful life together.